Ndewono. Kedu ka unu mere ndị nke m? How you doing, my people? Welcome back to my channel. Anyị ka na-amụ ụfọdụ mkpụrụ okwu na ahịrịokwu anyị na-eji ekwu okwu mgbe dum. We're still learning some Igbo words and sentences for everyday use. Remember, it's okay not to get everything at first. However, you can always keep coming back to watch the video in order to refresh your memory. Ka anyị bido. The first one is hold. Now, in our previous lesson, we learned hold on, that's wait, as chere. Chere. I hope you still remember. Now, this is different from this hold that we're talking about. This is when I want to tell you to hold something for me, okay? So I say jide, jide, jide. That's hold. The next one is keep. Dosa. Dosa. That's keep. Dosa. Rise. Bilie. Bilie. Or get up, Rise, get up. Bilie. Bilie. That's get up. Now, how do you say enter? Yeah, enter. We say banye. That's different from bata. The previous lesson, we learned bata. Bata means come in. That is, I'm already there and I'm telling you to come in, right? So I say bata. But enter is so I'm not there. Maybe I'll go in with you, but I'm not there. I'm not in yet. So I say banye. Banye ni mulo. Enter the house. Go into the house. I'm coming. All right? Banye. Go in or enter. The next one is please. Yeah, another magic word, right? Please. So please means biko. Biko. Please. Please stop. Biko kwose. Biko kwose. Please go. Biko gawa or go, please. In Nigerian pidgin, we say abeg, just they go. Gawa biko. Gawa biko. So biko is please. So whatever you want to add please to, you will just put biko. Biko. That's please. Well done. Ibaliala. I say this often, right? So yeah, if you have an idea what it means by now. Ibaliala. Well done. Ibaliala. Well done. The next one is welcome. Ibiala. Ibiala. That's welcome. Ibiala. Welcome. Literally means have you come? In a good way. Alright? In a good way. Ibiala. That's welcome. You can also say Ndewo as welcome. But often it's Ibiala. Alright? Ibiala. Welcome. Now, remember I said Ibiala means welcome, like have you come, literally, but in a positive way. Now, how about when you want to ask somebody, have you come, negatively, like, maybe you don't come again now, in pidgin. Okay, we say Ibiala, Ibiala, you have come. Guess you don't come, you don't carry your wahala come. So that is Ibiala, Ibiala, you've come. You're looking for my trouble. You don't define wahala, Ibiala. Okay. Now, the next one is slowly. Wayo. Wayo. Take it easy. Jiri ya wayo. That's take it easy. Jiri ya wayo. But slowly is wayo. So, I want to say, take it slowly, okay? Or take it easy. I'll just say wayo. Wayo, wayo. Alright? Wayo. That's slowly. So in line with my promise to keep things short, we'll stop here for today. Anyị ga-akwụsị ihe ọmụmụ taa ebe a. Ngwa kọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Igbaliala. Well done. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Your likes encourage me to keep making videos like this, so be liberal with it. Also, leave a comment below because I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to keep practicing. Kode.